The first sum in exercise 8.1 comparing quantities chapter. Find the ratio of rupees 5 to 50 paise. So we are asked to compare or find the ratio in between rupees 5 and 50 paise. So we have to remember a very important thing. In order to compare quantities, the units of those quantities must be the same. What do we mean by units of the quantities? The first number, the first is rupees 5 is expressed in rupees, whereas the second part has been expressed in paise. This has to be the same in order to compare two things. So let us convert rupees into paise. So we know that 100 paise is 1 rupees, right? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 5 rupees will be equal to 500 paise. Now what do we have to compare actually? We will have to compare 500 is to 50. This is the ratio which we have to arrive at. 500 is to 50. Rupees 5 is to 50 can be written as 500 is to 50. So by bringing the ratio to the standard form or to the reduced form, bringing this ratio to the reduced form, 500 by 50, you can cut the tens. So 5, how many times is 50? 5 ones 50, 0. So 5 into 10 is 50. So can we write it as 10 by 1, or this in the ratio form is written as 10 is to 1. Now we will have to find the ratio of 15 kg to 210 grams. So the important point which we should remember, as I said earlier, is in order to find ratio in between two quantities, the units has to be the same. In this case, the units are different. This is expressed in kilograms, whereas the second quantity has been expressed in grams. Let us convert these kilograms into grams. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So how much is 15 kg? 15 kg can be expressed as 15,000 grams. So now it is easier to find the ratio in between these two quantities. I can rewrite it as 15,000 grams to 210 grams, which is 15,000 is to 210. Now to express this in the reduced form, let us divide 15,000 by 210. So by cancelling the zeros, that is by dividing by 10 in both the numerator and the denominator, we have 1500 by 21. Now this can be reduced by 3, because both the numbers are multiples of 3. 3 7 times is 21 and 3 5 times is 15, 0 and 0. So the required ratio is 500 is to 7.